What up? What up? Welcome to Monday/Tuesday. First, I want to say, guys, I tried last week to do Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday videos. That schedule does not work better. We're going back to Monday, Wednesday, Friday, definitely. Today is going to be super fun. So I'm going to do a canvas. I'm going to paint a canvas, that Nerf gun. I think that's what I'm going to paint. Got some mock-ups to do for a mural that I'm going to be in Tacoma, Washington for a company called Imperial Motion. We're actually doing a collaboration together, super top secret. Probably gonna play some Horizon Zero Dawn. Let's get down on this canvas. You can kind of see the Nerf gun right here. Kind of, sort of. It's gonna look like that. And then I've got a dart right here. Bomb. I think I might put a crown at the top. I'm the king of Nerf guns because no one can beat me. Seriously though, who wants to battle me? Guys, base colors are done. It is crazy. This giant Nerf gun. Let's let the paint dry and then add some detail. Asher, what do you think of the Nerf gun?
Cool.
Do you like it?
Yep.
This thing is so sick. I'm in love with this Nerf gun. Thinking I might put it in Asher's room. What do you guys think though? Bang! This thing is massive, by the way. This is 4 feet by 5 feet, so it's pretty big. Seriously, who wants to battle me in Nerf Wars? I will win. Look at all these canvases we got going on. I love it. Check this out. I don't know if any of you guys know who MKBDHD is right here. Basically, he's like the biggest tech review dude on YouTube. Anyways, you guys know how I painted that MacBook Pro? Well, I just shot a tweet out. I'm like, yeah, tweeted. And then he said, haha, this is dope. I retweeted. And then he just told me to DM him. And now he just said to email him. So literally, I think this is gonna happen. I think he's gonna let me paint his freaking Mac trash can, which is super sick. Twitter is amazing for connecting with people and networking. Oh, this is why I love the internet and I love Twitter. I just got done sketching artwork for Imperial Motion. So there's this sketch right there. I think the settings on my camera are weird. Hold on one second. Way better. I'm digging it. I really want to ink this up. So you're getting 2 pieces of art today, guys. So we're gonna ink this up. We're gonna get after it and see what it looks like. Let's do it. Boom, there it is, guys. Done. We'll see what they say, if they dig it, or if they don't, I'll have to do another mock-up. Fingers crossed. I'm digging it. I like it, so we'll see what they say. It's all good, though. If they don't dig it, I'll do another one. What do you have for me, sweetie?
A bowl.
A bowl? What's in your bowl?
Popsicles.
Popsicles? What kind of popsicles?
Color ones.
Color ones? Ooh, can I have one? It's so good. I love blue popsicles. How does yours taste?
Chewy.
It tastes like cherry?
Yeah.
Oh, your room is so pink. As you can tell, Eden's favorite color is pink. Cupcakes! I'll take this one.
And take blue.
Boo?
And what this one?
Today has been so good. I am so pumped for Friday. Another art roulette. Hope everyone liked the art in today's vlog. Super pumped. I got to spend some time with the kids just a few minutes ago. We had neighbors come over and hang out. Today's just been an awesome day. Hope everyone's having a good week. I will see you on Friday in the art roulette vlog, guys. I'm out. Peace. Follow your bliss.